Hello there. In today's video, we're going to talk about the fact, Cristiano Ronaldo's response to all these hateful allegations against him. And as your love makes me strong, but your hate makes me unstoppable. So that's what, his response had been to all these haters, against the United squad. And in a team with star-studded, cast like Sancho, Ronaldo, Varane, and Rashford, Greenwood, United aren't performing that well. We get it. Every team has that phase. And there was a time when when Liverpool conceded 7 goals. It's nothing to laugh around at. And he's the one who helped them keep alive in the Champions League. So you can't come in and tell him to shut up. If he's saying they need a new manager, it means they do need a new manager because the players aren't being able to conform to the style of Ranieri because he is a member of the board of executives, and this was his contract. He was contractually taken up to stay in the time till a new manager came here. He wasn't signed as a permanent manager. So what Ronaldo has said, there has been several claims of him causing an unrest at the club. People have pointed their fingers at him, but I think he's the player who has saved Manchester United from a severe kind of embarrassment. Ronaldo and David De Gea and Ronaldo are the only two players who have performed under United in the recent times. I haven't seen anybody else perform at all. I'm being bluntly honest. These are the only two players I think they have performed. The only two players who have pulled United still in the Champions League, or they would have been out long time ago. And basically, he's ready to quit the club if Ranieri is appointed on a permanent basis. And Ranieri, he's really great at German Bundesliga football, but I don't think he's acquainted with the kind of football that that's played here. Because in German, there's you can have 5 substitutions, and there are some different rules. The style of football is different. He will make an excellent board of the member and somebody who can identify new players, coach them, train them, provide them psychological assistance. But the basic coaching has to be done with somebody who is assisted, who is more of a seasoned coach. Ranieri hasn't coached that many of big clubs. He is not accustomed to big club politics that happen. He's not accustomed to big club dressing room ruckus, the things that you usually go on. Still Ronaldo has been the one to give Ranieri most number of wins. Okay. And a lot of people had talked about Manchester City dodging a bullet. They've told him to keep his mouth shut. Look, and I want to say this is a good thing. This is a good thing. This is the kind of thing that makes him stronger. This is the motivation that I get from him. I started this channel because of the motivation I received from Ronaldo, solely based on him. I was a United supporter, but I also supported other clubs, but he was the player who made me glue to United. So telling somebody coming in and telling him to keep his mouth shut, whatever happens at United, it's his fault. He's the one who's been carrying the team. It's just 2 players, Ronaldo and David De Gea. These are the 2 players who've been carrying the team on their shoulders entirely. Name one more player basically who's been doing this much. He's played 17 games and scored at least 18 goals. What else do you want? Which else player has that kind of a record for United? Nobody. He has scored the most goals in the Champions League as a United player. Who has that record right now? Nobody else. So why is it whenever there's a problem, he's the only one who's pointed? Is it only Ronaldo's alone's responsibility to take the team forward, or is it the responsibility of the coach and 10 other team members? Whenever he plays well, it's a tap in. Whenever he scores a volley, he's lucky. Whenever he scores a header, it's an offside. There's so much hatred around him. I don't know why, but that's why I guess that's where he flourishes. That's why he basically he comes up to his and he has given an ultimatum. Yeah, he does want, he does want a new coach, and there's nothing bad about it. If United get a new coach like Ten Hag today, how would it be? Wouldn't it be a big upgrade? It would definitely be a huge and a big upgrade compared to what other things that are happening right now. Compared to the other things that are happening, compared to the other players that are basically that are being used right now, it would be a huge upgrade from them. So why is it he's subjected to so much hatred? I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. But Ronaldo has hit back. If you go to his Instagram, he said something. Talked about work and keep working. That's what basically that's what's been said. Work and keep working. I mean, yeah, and he could quit Manchester United, and this is what some people are saying. But I think he's happy there because a new manager is coming. There are talks of Erik Ten Hag coming, and with Erik Ten Hag, or with Pochettino, I think it would be a reasonable upgrade right now. And this is the kind of environment where you're gonna see the best of Ronaldo. He's gonna answer back to all the haters out there. When he comes, he literally saves the club from an embarrassing, defeat in the Champions League. He takes the club on single-handedly. Ronaldo and David De Gea are the only two players carrying this club right now. The only two players. I don't know what's happened to the rest of them. And sometimes Sancho maybe, once in a while. After 3 matches, you see him performing in once. So if that happens, then what would we do? And yet David De Gea makes one. I remember how people trolled David De Gea last season when he made that mistake. In one of the finals in the Europa League, people trolled him. For the mistakes in Europa League, people trolled him and all. People are trolling Ronaldo. If it wasn't for his last-minute goals, Manchester United would be walking their way out of the Champions League right now. Our fans and our team are trolling the very two players who are holding the team right now, and I know why they're jealous. They're jealous because of the history of Manchester United, because of their history of winning. They're jealous of that. Trust me, nobody has won like that and that much. That's why they're just boiling and they're angry and jealous and they want to pull us down. But Ronaldo said the best answer is to keep working and keep working. And I would also like to tell you that, something which is one of my favorite quotes from Ronaldo. Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable. Take care.